Acuity scheduling tutorial, how to use Acuity. Hi there you guys, in this video I will be talking about Acuity and how you can start using it. So now Acuity has a new name. It's called Squarespace scheduling. Maybe Squarespace bought Acuity because they saw a potential. But now Acuity focuses on business. So the first thing that you need to do to use Acuity is of course to create an account if you haven't, but you can create an account with Google. You can log in with Google if you want to. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And next is first up, set your availability. You'll have to set your availability first, and you can do that right over here, or right when you log in, or right when you start creating your account. So you can set up your available days and time within a week, just like this one. Next is of course create appointment types. So you can see here if you're someone, oh no, not really see here right now, but you'll see appointment types when you create your account, and then it'll ask you, is it going to be a one-on-one type of appointment or one to many, stuff like that. Next, what we're going to do is to customize our scheduling page, and this is what we're going to do right now. Just click on customize your scheduling page, then let's wait for it to load up. Now here we can edit the appearance of our scheduling page. Is it going to be monthly or daily? Now I want monthly because I want like a huge view or a wide view of my schedule. I can expand this, or I can view it live, close preview. And of course, this is where you set up your business name, the logo if you have to. You can create one now by clicking this button right here. And let's see where it's Squarespace logo, the logo maker. You can create one right here. And of course, it's scheduling instructions. You can write any instructions right here. If you want them to schedule only on PM or AM. And week starts on Monday. Our schedule time format AM, PM, X. Yeah, this one will do. Language, time zone, require clients to choose their time zone when booking, of course. And of course, the font, you can change font by clicking this button. I'm gonna go with this one. What else? Body background, you can choose a color. I'm gonna go with, and you can see here a preview of how it's looking like your page, right? I'm gonna go with green and yellow, or no, header text color, or maybe black will do. Scheduler background, let me go with blue. Scheduler text color, let me go with purple. Button color, button or accent color, I'm gonna go with maroon. I'm not sure if it's gonna look cool or what, but let me just go ahead and save the changes that we've made by hitting on save changes, and let's see how it's looking right now. Okay, it's looking good. I think this one looks pretty nice for me. Now we can sync our Acuity calendar with other calendars. Like for example, Google Calendar. So I'm going to connect it with my Google Calendar. And let's hit that. I have a few scheduled coming up for March. Let's see if it gets that. And let's hit on allow. Okay, let's wait for it, and boom. Now let's see, let's check our Google Calendar. It's active because we already integrated it. Now it says here your Google Calendar integration is incomplete. Please select at least one calendar to sync. Okay, right here, Google Calendar, select the calendar, birthdays, okay, let me just, okay, where should I choose here? I'm not really sure. Okay, let me just, okay, choose that one. Select a calendar. One more. Okay, the holidays in my country. All right, now let me just go ahead and hit save. And let's see how it's looking. Okay, our Google Calendar is active. It now says your Google Calendar support the creation of Google Hangout Meets. After choosing your calendars to sync, you can enable Google Meet for appointment types and integration. Okay, let's check out Google Calendar. It's active. All right, now we're done. Let's go to the scheduling. Okay, so you can see here. There's a dummy data right over here. All right. Now you can see if there are schedules for today, not really, for a week or for a month. You can view it monthly. And then what you can do here is to check out the sidebar. This is where you check out your website, your e-commerce, your email campaigns, domains, Google Workspace. You can integrate it as well. Now you're right here under scheduling. Now let's try to add in a schedule. Let's go next month, March. Let's hit on Thursday, or let's hit on new right here. So appointment type would be, let's set things up. Okay, edit. No appointment types can be scheduled with. Okay. Let's check out date and time. So it should be like the calendar is loading. You can then choose from the list of dates on the calendar that is supposed to show up here. And of course, you can edit the client, or you can edit the client name right over this button. You can input the first name, last name, phone, email, and some forms and note. You can add in it here. Private notes about the appointment. Only you can see this in the client. And then of course, you can schedule appointment. Or you can just hit on cancel if you changed your mind. Not sure why it's still loading, but apparently you can choose dates from this one. And you can choose if it's recurring or custom. Yep. So let's just hit on cancel right here. Now let's check on this sample data that we have here, Jane McTest. So once you're done saving your appointment, it'll look like this. It'll show up the phone, email, time zone. It will show notes, history, and stuff like that. Just hit on close. And of course, you can also do check out your clients right here. And you can go back to course steps from this point on. Let's hide this walkthrough. All right, so the client list shows all of your clients. So you only have one client right now. I only have one client. It's the test data. So you can schedule appointment with a client just by going to your clients list and then hit on schedule an appointment. And then you can now add in a schedule with your specific client right here. So basically that's how Acuity scheduling work. It's now called Squarespace scheduling. Well, it focuses more on paid bookings or paid schedules rather than work schedules, meeting schedules, and stuff like that. Because, yep, it's for Squarespace. So by the way, what do you think about Acuity, you guys? Is it better? Is it better than other scheduling platform out there? Let me know down in the comments below. But I will see you again in the next video. Peace out.